Let's take a look at this fruits plant kitchen tool set. The box got a little bit damaged in the shipping. In this you get a kitchen set that looks like a tabled plant with all the tools built in. These are some of the things that you can do with those tools. More details, and in this one they give you an exploded view of what everything is. This costs around 450 rupees or around $9 or so. So let's open and see it. This is how the set looks when it's put together. It also comes with a manual. They have a detailed description on what to use each of the tools for. This is a avocado scoop, or you can use it as a spoon with any other stuff. These can be used as fruit forks. Even these pieces come handy. This is like a small masher. With this edge, you can peel orange or other fruits. This is a apple slicer. This is a mesh cutter or a cheese grater. You can flip it over and use it. Another grater. This is a lemon squeezer. This is a grapefruit squeezer. That's why you see bigger bulge. And this can be used as a bowl. You can flip all the tools onto the bowl and use it. Again, quite an interesting kitchen tool set. Let's put it back together. Every time you want to use the tool, you don't have to go through the whole process. You can lift it in the middle and take out the tool you want. Looks really colorful, and when not in use, it looks like a potted plant on your kitchen. Quite nice. Check it out.